Hey, my name's Chris Conley. I'm a professional motion picture and television editor. A couple weeks ago, or a week and a half ago, I did a conversion on my editing desk to a stand-up adjustable. And at that time, I had a slight technical issue. One of the levelers appeared to have a stripped screw. So I said I would reach out to them and get back to everybody, and in fact I have done that. And hats off to Unicoo. They sent me a new leveler. Came in the mail. Has a slightly shorter screw. It's poking through the package, so I hope it hasn't damaged the threads, but I don't need tons of adjustment anyhow, so very, very happy that they immediately got back to me, sent me this, no problem. It does make me laugh. The description on the outside of the envelope says Unicoo electric stand-up desk frame with dual motor 3-stage uplifting legs. And then at the bottom it says Chris Conley bottom screw thingy. I will put that in today. I'm sure it'll fit. If it does not, I will not ding them because they've reached out and made a best effort as far as I'm concerned. So in addition to that, I will update you on some things that I've done with the desk. Because the desk stands, I have multiple monitors, speakers, and an audio interface, and there's lots of wires, tons of wires hanging off the back of this thing. And it was a bit of an issue to make sure that I wasn't pulling my gear off the desk when I ran it up. So I needed to kind of clear my cables and organize them and make sure that there was enough slack in them to reach the height that I needed and not damage anything. So one of the things that I realized is that a lot of these items are USB powered, the keyboard, the mouse, the webcam, even my speakers. So it occurred to me that I could do a USB hub and attach it to the bottom of the desk in the back and then run a single cable to my computer with enough slack. And then from the hub, I could run cables to the speakers, the mouse, the keyboard, and the webcam, and only have a single cable to worry about in that instance. I still have the two HDMIs that run the monitors and a FireWire cable that runs the audio interface. But in the process of putting the USB hub up, I also installed cable adhesive clips at the bottom of the back of the desk so that I could run the FireWire all the way across in the USB cable, and then get it to the end just over the computer, and I could run all my cables down in one spot. So I'll get under the desk and show you how that worked, and the clips that I use, which so far have been phenomenal. Couldn't be happier. And they were like $10 or something on Amazon, and there's 50 of them. And they come in a bag, and there's 50 of them in here, and it literally just says 50 count cable management clips, black, made in China. I'm going to get under the desk. I'll show you how I did that, and so far, super duper happy with this conversion to a stand-up desk. All right, well here I am under the desk as promised. One of the joys of having this new action cam. So I'm going to turn this around and show you exactly what I've done. I have a single USB cable, which I've run up through these clips, which I was discussing, and they run along the bottom of this desk. Here's the FireWire that runs over to my audio interface, and then in the middle I now have this USB hub, which I've stuck to the bottom of the desk with a piece of Velcro. This wire runs to the USB speakers, this runs to my keyboard and mouse, and this runs to the webcam, which is now an essential piece of, our work from home gear. And then I have the extension cable that runs over to my left speaker, and the FireWire interface cable. So these clips have been phenomenal. I couldn't be happier. All right, so just to wrap this up, a week or 2 weeks after doing the conversion to the stand-up adjustable desk, I am ecstatic. It couldn't be a better working system. A little bit of cable management was in order, but those clips from Amazon have taken care of that. And big shout out to Unicoo. I hope I'm not butchering their name, for quickly responding to the tech support issue. I will put that leveler in today sometime. Very, very happy, very happy. So if anybody has any questions, throw them in the comments below, and I'll follow up with you. And yeah, subscribe, please. I'm trying to get as many viewers as I can. very happy with this Unicoo desk conversion, and looking forward to working with it for many years to come. Standing up, better for my back. And also, really happy to have this little action cam, which I can see in the front view monitor. So I'll probably do a little video on that too, just because for doing what I'm doing, it's pretty fantastic. All right, I guess that's it. So until next time.